What's up, guys? It's another reaction video. How cool is that? Yeah? How cool is that, guys? How cool is that? So, first up, you're going to be seeing me react to eating these bad boys. Cheetos, Flaming Hot Puffs, party bag. Gonna be eating these. If you want to see what one looks like, that's the inside, if you can see. But this is the real deal. Can't see, that's so red. What's this, guys? Smell it. What's this, guys? Last one. I'll be back. And let's see. Oh, it's too hot. I need to get milk. That was hot. Oh, I need to get more Coke. Oh. Oh, that's hot. Oh. Now I'm going to show you something else. Something that I made.